Here we are for the latest round of pinball awesomeness. The 2018 Rocky Mountain Pinball Showdown. Let's go see what's in store. With nearly 300 pinball machines set to free play, how could this not be awesome? These are all different kinds of people. Are you a pinball fanatic more than anybody else you know? Well, guess what? There's pinball celebrities aplenty. Let's go find a few. Hey, Mr. Sharp. I'm with the Showdown. I just want to ask you one question. Okay, is it rolling? Is it rolling? Okay. What is the #1 question that you always get asked every single time you go anywhere?
Are Josh or Zach better?
Oh my gosh.
Hey. So are you glad to be here at the Rocky Mountain Pinball Showdown?
I'm so happy to be here.
What's up, Snow? Oh, hey, how you doing? Are you having a whole lot of fun here at the Rocky Mountain Pinball Showdown?
I couldn't have any more fun.
Couldn't possibly. Have you played any games yet?
I played 2.
Which games?
I played Iron Maiden and I played WWE.
Did you dominate?
I did not.
Barry.
Yes.
Hello, I am the Night Mutilator, and it's so glad to have you here at the Rocky Mountain Pinball Showdown. So what was your favorite game here at the show, would you say?
There's been a lot of great ones, but I'm kind of hung up on the space station I was playing. The guy that restored it did a great job on it.
How many games did you bring?
4, technically 5.
Which games?
Space Station, Taxi, Sorcerer, Genesis, and Evil Knievel.
Woohoo!
So what would you say to like an aspiring pinball designer at this day and age? What would you say would be the best step for them to take to make their dreams come to life?
I mean, if you want to start off with just re-theming a game and try it out and see how you like it, but eventually you're gonna have to draw up a playfield and make a whole game.
Did you see the Led Zeppelin game?
Yeah, I played that. Yeah. I was talking to the guy that did it.
What's the re-theme based on?
So the re-theme is based on Evil Knievel, and we wanted to change game features, so the code has been changed. It's no longer Evil Knievel, it plays as Led Zeppelin.
Tell me, what's your newest mod this year?
Our newest mod this year is we're working on a building for Attack from Mars. That is one of the coolest games out there.
If you could mod one more thing, what do you think it would be?
Oh my gosh, what would it be, honey?
My God.
Woo!
Great to see you guys again.
Yes, it's great to be back, and I'm so excited to learn more about all these mods.
Yeah.
Want to learn a thing or two about maintaining, operating, or even building pinball machines? It's all right in here. Just want to win big? Well, that's also possible in the highly regarded tournament room. Built for all skills and all ages. Everyone was a winner this year. There were pinball machines, kids, people playing pinball, and even other people that like to win and throw balls around. It was a magic dream come true. We'll see you next year. Rocky Mountain Pinball Showdown. Ooh.